Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping.
Okay, you guys, so first off, I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and I'm going to use that to slick my hair up into a bun.
Looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes. Let up my wrist on these hoes. Now I look down on these bitches.
Then I'm going to take some Got2b glue and I'm going to add that as well. That's just for extra hold, just to make sure this bun actually stays in place. And then I put this into a ponytail or a mini bun with a goodie band. And I tried not to make it too tight because, you know, I don't want to break off my hair. I take some Gorilla Glue and I use that to lay my edges down with my handy dandy toothbrush. Then I take a satin scarf and tie that to my head and I let that sit for like, 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, I take the pack of hair. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store for like only $2. So then I attach the pack of hair, like the whole entire pack of hair, to my bun. I divide it in half. And then I divide one of the halves into another half. And I toss that. And this is going to be used to form my bang. I want to say you want to make sure that the ends are not like blunt, that they're like jagged, you know what I mean? I don't know the word for it. Anyway, so as you saw, I don't know how to frame it. Like I pushed back that hair to form a bang, and then I pinned that hair down with a bobby pin. And then I'm taking the remaining hair from that little section and I'm gonna just form that around my bun. And then I'm going to pin that down with a couple of bobby pins.
Came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping. Came through dripping.
After that, I'm going to clip my bang away while I finish the bun. I'm going to take one part of the bun and I'm just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to pin that down. And then I take the other portion of hair and I wrap it the other way around. And then I pin that portion down with some bobby pins. I pinned it down pretty well. I don't show that in the video, but I use a lot of bobby pins to pin this bun down. After I do that, then I finally get to the fun part, which is the bang. So I wanted to have these long strips on the side of my face because I wanted to frame it. So I determined the part to cut by the end of my eye. So the hair that goes from one end of my eye to the other end of my other eye, that is where I cut the bang. If that made any sense at all. I don't think that made any sense. But you guys see what I'm doing. And so that's how I got my bang. I did the little strips on the side because I feel like that framed my face. You know, I have a round face. Then I take my flat iron on the lowest setting and I kind of try to bump the bang to make it form to my face. As we see, that was an epic fail. I think I did it too much. So don't do what I did. I mean, bump your ends, but don't take it to the extreme like I did. So now my bangs they look a little funky. It's still cute, but you know, they look a little weird. Anywho, that is how I got this hairstyle. It was super easy, super simple, and really cheap. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next video.
Came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
Came through dripping.